Hello and welcome back. So guys, here I'm just gonna teach you some more interesting things in the Bootstrap. Actually, I'm just gonna create the form here. So first of all, before creating the form, I'm just putting the page header. So what the page header can do, that it can just show us the page heading. So I'm just typing Bootstrap form. Okay. Well, by the way, here I'm just simply using the HTML form, but definitely I'll apply the Bootstrap as a style. So how to create the form? First of all, we have to create the basic element of the form, as you know that. Now I'm just going inside this. So now, actually, you know that we have to use the table layout. Often we use the table layout for creating the perfect form, but you know that the table layout is now deprecated. So this is not the preferred way to use the table layout. So now we have to create our own layout, or we use the div. But if we use the divs, then you know that we have to make the style sheet for the form, and then we have to do a lot of things. But there in the Bootstrap, it has its own layout for the forms. Okay, so as per element, just create a new div. Okay, per single element here, class form group. Okay, and then inside this form group, this is a single line. Just suppose, or not the single line, actually the single group of the form, of the element. In a single group we can mention the label of the element, and then the element. Okay, so the label first, and then just cover it up. No need to add the class, no need to add the class there. Just directly type full name. Okay, now go down, and the input type, and their text. Okay, now just cover this up. But before putting the Bootstrap, I'm just showing you, this is the basic thing. Okay, the full form, the full name, and the element. But definitely it has no Bootstrap. I'm just applying the class of the Bootstrap here. Form control is a Bootstrap element of this input. We can apply the form control to the inputs, all the inputs, select text areas and radio buttons and other things. Refresh that. Now you can see that the full name, and just click there. You can see that the beautiful box shadow here, the light blue colored glowing, which is actually the sign of we just created the single element of this form really perfectly. So now just simply copy this group and just paste this after that, and then the another group is there. Let's just type the other things, for example the email. And then for the email, you know that the HTML has a specific way, the email, and copy this one and paste as a password. Well, I'm just putting the password here, and then just changing the email and typing password. Well, if you know that we have the placeholder, which is a new element in the HTML5, so I can apply the password, or I can type insert your password. Okay, why we use this field? Just for refresh that. Now you can see that I cannot remove this, the insert your password, or do anything. But when I just type even a single word, it's removed automatically. That means this is just a placeholder. This is a new element of the Bootstrap, the HTML5. If you want to know more about the HTML5, you can check our course based on HTML5 and CSS3. By the way, insert your email, and then I'm just going there, and the another placeholder, insert your full name, save, and then refresh. Now the name, the email, the password, and everything is going really fine. Simply copy this one and paste there. And then now what more we need to paste here? Why not I just put the select element instead of the input? Now select. Okay, now cover this up, and there put some enters and option. Everything is going really fine. Here I'm just typing select your country. I can type anything, whatever I prefer. So there I'm just typing Pakistan, duplicate that, and then I'm just typing the America. Oh, I think the United States is more preferred for this. Well, duplicate and United Kingdom, and then the Brazil. Okay, whatever I type, no matter. Save and just go to the browser and refresh. Definitely it has no bootstrap applied there. I'm going to the back to the notepad, and there I'm just putting the class of the form control. Now save and go back to the browser and refresh. Now it has the same element as well. So guys, this is a simple form. I hope you understood to create. So then there is something more you must know about the form. One thing more, that for example, the select your country has no need to type something. We just need to select this. So why not we put two things in the same field? But for this case we have to create the horizontal form. So we will create the horizontal form later on. Right now I'm just simply copying the whole things, okay, and pasting there. And what I'm just doing is, actually everything is fine, okay, I just copied and pasted the same form. Refresh. Now you can see that everything is same. I'm copying the page header as well and pasting there, and then refresh now just for dividing both of them. And there I'm just typing inline form. So there I'm just adding the class of inline form. Now save and refresh. Okay, it's not applied. Wait for a while. Form inline, save and refresh. Now it's working. Now you can see that every element has lost its full width and just came into the minimal width. This is the inline form. If you just put the class form inline, so you can get this thing. Now in the next class we will learn how to create the horizontal form. This is the inline form, not the horizontal form, so we need to learn that. So guys, in the next class we will learn that. Stay tuned and goodbye.